How to delete watch history on Instagram. Hey, everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your watch history on Instagram. So if you've been watching a lot of reels or videos and want to clear that history, follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Next, tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu and go into Settings. From there, tap on your activity. Scroll down until you see the section called How You Use Instagram, and then select Watch History. Here, you'll see all the reels you've watched in the past 30 days. You can sort them by newest to oldest, filter by a specific date range, or even by creators. To remove them, tap Select at the top, then choose the ones you want to delete, or tap Select All if you want to clear everything. Once you've made your selection, tap Remove and confirm by tapping Remove again. That's it. You've successfully deleted your Instagram watch history. Doing this can help keep your recommendations fresh and clear out videos you don't want influencing your feed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips and tricks.